Hepatitis or jaundice. This disease is basically concerned with the liver. Liver is the largest organ of the body, which is constituting 2.5 to 3% of the body weight. It performs various tasks which are very much crucial for the life and for the proper working of the whole body. The basic functions which are performed by liver, these are summarized here in the table. First of all, protein metabolism. It helps in the formation of plasma proteins, carrier proteins, that means amino acids which are formed in the body. These are further converted into plasma proteins or the other types of protein. Proteins management is done. If excess protein is there, then that is excreted out of the body through urine in the form of chemical urea, which is found in the urine. Carbohydrate metabolism. We know that if excess of the carbohydrate or the glucose is there, then that is stored in liver in the form of glycogen with the help of the enzyme insulin. Apart from it, it also secretes anticoagulant, that means one chemical which stops the coagulation of blood, that is called heparin. Then suppose if there is a scarcity of that glucose or the energy is needed, in that time it breaks down the glycogen into glucose with the help of glucagon hormone. Then it also helps in the gluconeogenesis from amino acid, that means from amino acid glucose formation can be done. It converts the glucose into fatty acids, that means I have told you once that if someone takes extra energy or extra food stuff, it is stored in the form of fat. तो फैट के फॉर्म में स्टोर करने का काम बॉडी में कौन कर रहा है? लीवर कर रहा है. इंटर कन्वर्जन ऑफ मोनोसेक्राइड्स. मोनोसेक्राइड्स के जो भी फॉर्म की बॉडी को ज़रूरत है तो वो उसको कन्वर्ट कर देता है एक फॉर्म से दूसरे फॉर्म में. जस्ट सी हाउ क्रूशियल वर्क ऑफ लीवर इज देयर. लिपिड मेटाबॉलिज्म. अब लिपिड के भी मेटाबॉलिज्म में हेल्प कर रहा है. आप देख सकते हो लिपिड के जो लाइपोप्रोटीन है, मतलब लिपिड और प्रोटीन के कॉम्बिनेशन वाले कंपाउंड्स, उनके फॉर्मेशन में, फॉस्फोलिपिड्स में, कोलेस्ट्रॉल, फैटी एसिड्स के कन्वर्जन में, कार्बोहाइड्रेट और प्रोटीन को तुरंत फैट में कन्वर्ट कर देना अगर एक्स्ट्रा हो गया है बॉडी में. इसलिए few people those who say कि I do not take fat, then also I am getting increasing, my weight is increasing. The reason is that they are taking extra carbohydrate and the protein, which in turn is stored in the body in the form of fat. And it also helps in the formation of bile salts. Mineral and vitamin metabolism. These are stored as in form of reservoirs. That is mentioned here. You can see from there. Immunological, important part of lymphoreticular system. That means it is a major part for the immunological activity. Lymphoreticular, जो lymph आपने पढ़ा होगा, lymph fluid is found in the body, which is having that lymphocytes which fight against the disease causing organisms. Then the major function, detoxification. It just removes all those things which are not good for our body, which could be of bacterial decomposition product, or it could be mineral poison. Suppose someone has taken alcohol or other drug has entered in the body, then its detoxification can be and is done by liver. Then if we are coming to the hepatitis disease, it is the inflammation of liver. Inflammation means swelling, certain pain. These kinds of things are going to occur in case of hepatitis. And suppose if it is occurring for long duration, it can result in the fibrosis. That means tissues in the liver will become stiffened, scarring. Then cirrhosis can occur, or the liver cancer can also be led to this. Hepatitis virus are common cause of hepatitis. These are generally caused by virus. But other infections, toxic substances can also lead to the hepatitis. If any kind of infection is there, other organisms, or someone is consuming drugs, alcohol, yeah, autoimmune disease is there in the body, then also hepatitis can be caused. What is hepatitis? तो यहाँ पे दिया है. It is basically categorized into these 5 category A, B, C, D, E. अब ये हो गया. There are 5 main types of hepatitis virus. इस चार्ट से आप पूरा पढ़ लोगे. what vaccines are available for which type of hepatitis. तो किस किस hepatitis के लिए वैक्सीन अवेलेबल है, तो वी कैन सी each and every hepatitis vaccine is available except for hepatitis C. So except for that all hepatitis vaccines are available. In this, inflammation of liver occurs. These are the estimated data, you can read it on your own. कितने हेपेटाइटिस के केसेस आते हैं, कितने उससे अफेक्टेड होते हैं और कितने क्योर हो जाते हैं, उनका ट्रीटमेंट चलता है. अब ये स्प्रेड कैसे होता है, तो ए और ई जो है हेपेटाइटिस वो लैक ऑफ फूड हाइजीन या कंटामिनेटेड वाटर या यू कैन से अनहाइजीनिक तरीके से फैलता है. और जो बी सी डी है, वी हैव टू सी ए एंड ई, these are due to following unhygienic things. And further BCD, these are passed through blood, sperm और other body fluid. अगर body fluid exchange हो रहा है तो उस केस में ये diseases हो जाती हैं. Symptoms and physiological condition. What are the symptoms there in the specific kind of hepatitis and in which category? So let us know what are the causes of these 5 type of hepatitis. First of all, HAV, that is hepatitis A virus. Obviously we have studied A and E are transmitted through you can say unhygienic practices. So it is just mentioned there that the fecal matter of the infected person through that or contaminated water or food, from that it is spread. And in certain sex practices also it can be spread. And it's a safe and effective vaccines are available, so it can be prevented. But in case of hepatitis B, जिसका नाम है HBV, what happens in this case, it can be spread through infected blood, semen या other body fluids. What is there, it can be transmitted from mother to their child also at the time of delivery, or from family members to infant. From family members also it can be spread to the child during this infant in its early childhood stage. And transmission can also occur through the transfusion of HBV contaminated blood. If blood is contaminated with this virus, then also it can occur. And contaminated injections or the medical procedures can also result in its spread, along with the using syringes during the you can say group drug use. When people are using in group, they are using drugs and they are using the same syringes, then from that also it can spread. Safe and effective vaccines are available. For B also vaccines are available. Now we are coming to C, which we have seen that whose vaccine is not available. Let us see what is this condition of this. First of all, again infective blood, semen and all these things are there. From that it is spread. Infective blood, it is written here. Now what happened, the same thing is repeated like we have read above. So things which are repeated, that I will not repeat it here, but you have to just go through the previous topic which I have explained you from that only. Now what happened here, it can also transmit through sexual transmission, a sexual act, and for it no vaccine is available. Hepatitis D virus, HDV virus, again it is having the same means of spread like we have studied in the above cases. Now only the thing which is mentioned here, that the vaccine is available for this particular disease and it can be prevented from that. HEV, mode of dispersal or the spread of disease is same as like HAV. तो वही यहाँ पे दिया है, contaminated food, water, through contamination it could be spread. And safe and effective vaccines are available but are not widely available. मतलब vaccines हैं but उतनी easily सबको available नहीं है these vaccines. अब symptoms, किसी को hepatitis हो गया है तो उसके सिम्टम कैसे होंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट वुड बी लाइक फ्लू, जैसे नॉर्मल फ्लू हो जाता है वैसा होगा. मसल एंड जॉइंट पेन होगा, फीवर होगा, अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, सर दर्द होगा और आंखें येलो हो जाएंगी. दैट मीन्स सिम्टम ऑफ जॉन्डिस विल ऑल्सो अपीयर. अगर बहुत क्रॉनिक यानी इट इज़ अ क्रिटिकल कंडीशन, द पर्सन विल फील टायर्ड, डिप्रेशन, जॉन्डिस, अ जनरल सेंस ऑफ फीलिंग ऑफ अनवेल विल बी देयर. Then uh, it is mentioned here that suppose someone has got hepatitis virus infection, so the period from which the person has got infected to the period from when the symptoms are going to appear, that period is called incubation period for virus. It depends upon the type of virus. Now you can just say for 15, 25, 45 days if it is HAV, it is HBV के लिए क्या है 45 to 160 days, C के लिए 2 weeks to 6 months, which is having no vaccine. Then many patients infected with HAV, HBV and CV have few or no symptoms of illness. अब इन बीमारियों में कुछ पेशेंट्स में ये भी होता है कि इनमें कोई सिम्टम्स ही नहीं दिखते हैं इलनेस के. अब देखते हैं कौन कौन से सिम्टम्स कॉमन है पर्टिकुलर वायरस में. लाइक ए बी सी के लिए है यूरिन वुड बी डार्क, बी और सी के लिए स्टमक पेन, येलो स्किन या आई वाइट हो जाएगी, दिस इज कॉल्ड जॉन्डिस, ए बी सी में हो जाएगा. पेल और क्ले कलर्ड स्टूल, मतलब उसका कलर चेंज हो जाएगा. जो स्टूल द वेस्ट मटेरियल विच इज removed out of the body after you can say leftover of the digested food, that thing is there, its color would be clay color, जिस कलर की मिट्टी होती है या पील होगा. तो इट इज़ इन ए एंड सी. थोड़ा सा फीवर रहेगा लो ग्रेड का तो ए बी सी. भूख नहीं लगेगी अगेन ए बी सी. फैटिक चक्कर आ रहा है ए बी सी. फीलिंग सिक टू योर स्टमक, सर्टेन प्रॉब्लम ऑफ स्टमक इज देयर ए बी सी. अगर जॉइंट पेन हो रहा है तो इन सब में से केवल क्या है आपका बी. विच हेपेटाइटिस वी हैवेंट सीन हेयर, जिसका सिम्टम नहीं दिया गया है यहाँ पे, तो डी और ई का नहीं दिया गया है, तो बस ऑल आर मेंशन हियर. अब हमें चाहिए कि हम इससे अपने हमको बचाएं. प्रिवेंशन कैसे कर सकते हैं, तो इसके जो रिजर्वायर है जैसे कंटेमिनेशन के थ्रू हो रहा है तो कंटेमिनेशन वाली चीज़ों को हाइजीन किया जाए, उसको अवॉइड किया जाए. अभी ट्रांसमिट हो रहा है ब्लड के थ्रू या सीरम के थ्रू, तो वहाँ पे भी हमें पर्टिकुलर सेफ्टी का ध्यान रखना होगा. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट हेयर इट इज रिटन थ्रू द टॉयलेट और द वेस्ट डिस्पोजल सैनिटरी डिस्पोजल एरिया, दैट शुड ऑल्सो बी cleaned. Control of susceptible population. If someone knows that this population is suffering from hepatitis, then preventive measures should be taken so that it could not be spread in the whole community. And last but not the least, that is the administration of vaccine in case if that hepatitis infection could occur, and it is more good, we can say prevention is better than cure. Management of hepatitis and dietetics. Now how can we control hepatitis with the help of menu or the food planning? So it is just given there. We have to maintain the nutrition in patient's body so that its immunity could work efficiently to cure the disease. And apart from that, it can also help the body to recover fast. So first of all, you have to relieve the symptoms. The second one is to aid the regeneration of liver tissue. कुछ ऐसा करें कि liver tissues फिर से regenerate करें to prevent further liver damage. liver damage को further prevent किया जाए. अब इसको हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? So here certain things are mentioned. You have to follow that. Proteins are needed. तो इट इज गिवन हेयर ताकि आपका लीवर के साथ रिजेनरेट कर सके. इट्स रेशियो इज मेंशन देयर, आप उसको पढ़ लीजिए. फैट इज मोर पैलेटेबल एंड इंक्रीजेस कैलोरी इनटेक. तो इसमें क्या बताएगा कि आप जॉन्डिस में अगर सेवियर बहुत ज़्यादा जॉन्डिस है तो 20 ग्राम और नॉर्मल है तो 20-30 ग्राम पर डे लीजिए. और दूसरे केसेस में क्या कर सकते हैं आप, इसको हम रेस्ट्रिक्ट करना पड़ जाएगा. फैट नीड्स टू बी रेस्ट्रिक्टेड इफ देयर ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ फैट डाइजेशन. अगर लीवर बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेज हो गया, क्योंकि आपको पता है लीवर ही क्या करता है, बाइल जूस सिक्रेट करता है जो फैट के मॉलिक्यूल्स को ब्रेक डाउन करने में हेल्प करते हैं. फैट की स्पेलिंग गलत लिखी है तो यहाँ पे फैट आप देख लीजिएगा, स्पेलिंग इज रॉन्ग, FAT होना चाहिए, तो उस केस में अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. इन केस ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स व्हाट वी कैन सी, it will give energy, so its ratio has to be maintained, and but it should be from the natural resources and the good resources like it is mentioned. Fruit juices, sugar, jaggery, honey, all these things are there. Vitamins, they are essentially to regenerate liver cell. Again, these all things, vitamin, minerals, These are essential so that the liver cell can function properly, it can regenerate, and balance of the nutrient will be there in the body, which will help in the fast recovery of the liver tissues. So both things are common you're going to see here, but here you have to learn this ratio, how much you have to take particular nutrient. Which foods has to be included, because in this liver is going to get affected, which is performing the major task. So how we have to just give the nutrients, as well as we have to let the liver to be in the relaxed state. So you can just give cereal porridge, जैसे आप बोलते हो खिचड़ी या pudding, you just say that kind of porridge is there. Soft chapati which can be easily eaten and easily digested. Bread rice can be given. Skimmed milk, cream हटा के milk दे दोगे. Tapioca, potato, yam, etc. These are the food stuff which can be given. And here is a menu for particular patient who is suffering from hepatitis. So this menu I have explained you so many times, so I think you can just go through on your own. The timing of the menu you have to learn, then which kind of food has to be given, and calories which they contain, that you will study on your own. In case of any query you can ask me, or I'll explain you in the live class. In next lecture we will study about the jaundice, and after jaundice we will study about the celiac disease, lactose intolerance, and peptic ulcer also.